This was the first ever digital summit by any of the IIMs. So how was your overall experience?
I think very good. Overall, great day, great sessions. We had some very good sort of speakers. I think the Q&A interaction was very useful. So I think overall very energizing. I think obviously digital is a big theme and a huge space. So enjoyed all the interactions today.
Analytics has generated a lot of traction in the last couple of years, and a lot of MBAs are now trying to get into analytical area. So do you have any message for them, like what they can do to probably streamline their entry into this system?
Yeah, I think if you think from an MBA's perspective, he's got some understanding of, he's got the core skills in some form. He's some understanding of the business by virtue of what he's doing as part of the traditional MBA curriculum. But I think from an analytics standpoint, I think the key is to be able to build an understanding of the tools and techniques, and more importantly, be able to connect to how some of this can be applied to support decision making. How can data help drive decisions? How is it different when you sort of look at data from a structured perspective, unstructured perspective? So I think sharpening the saw, being more hands-on, and being able to look at it end-to-end, right from data to analysis to be able to how it can be consumed and adopted. I think if MBAs can use the time to get some of these skills together during their sort of coursework, and we do some work with some of these companies, do internships, do Coursera courses, I think get as closer to action as you can. I think they'll have a great sort of career ahead as managers going forward.
Well, thank you so much for your time, and on behalf of IMB EPGP batch, we'd like to thank you for your participation.
Thank you, it's a pleasure. Look forward to being in touch.
Thank you.